Hi Squad! I'm Glenn Magaliano, a 35-year-old contemporary visual artist and a photographer from Davao City.
The real me is someone who sees the world through a lens of curiosity and creativity. I find beauty in the overlooked and meaning in the mundane. Whether it's exploring the streets for that perfect shot, diving into deep conceptual themes, or challenging the boundaries of art and expression, this is what drives me. I'm passionate about using my art to amplify voices, tell stories that matter, and break down societal barriers. At my core, I believe in authenticity and I strive to capture it in everything I do.
This is the real me.
An artist, a storyteller, and a voice for those who need it most.